The next rider in front of you is Sipai Satendra, astride his remount horse, Wrestler. Sipai Satendra, a young rider from the Army Service Corps. He has won the 2-star eventing individual in the year 2016 in Meerut, Grade 3 show jumping in 2017 Pune, open show jumping as also the Asian Games trial participant which is going on currently in India. He's approaching the first jump, that's the grass bundle, beautifully clearing it, that's the remount horse, look at the josh. कितने जोश से भरा हुआ है ये घोड़ा रेसलर बढ़ता हुआ मोटरसाइकिल की ओर बड़ी आसानी से पार करता हुआ ये घोड़ा रेसलर बढ़ रहा है सोफे की ओर. What a beautiful leap there going on to the table and that's a clear. He is now approaching the मच्छरदानी jump. मच्छरदानी के अंदर तो हम सभी सोते हैं लेकिन ये घोड़ा देखिए अपने राइडर के साथ उसके ऊपर से जाता हुआ. He is now approaching the finale jump, the gypsy jump. Look at the josh in that horse. He's now approaching right in the center and there he goes, beautifully clearing the gypsy for all of you. The next rider आपके सामने है सिपाही नवीन अपने घोड़े विजय के साथ. Sipai Naveen, yet another talented rider of the Army Service Corps. He has won various medals at all nationals and Army Equestrian Championships as well. He and Vijay are now approaching the first jump, the bundle, no hassles at all, getting the balance back. That's Sipai Naveen coming on to the motorcycle jump and that's a clear. Beautifully covering it and now going on to the sofa jump. Look at the ears and that's a good jump out there and then onto the table. He's approaching the Machardani now. Without any hassles, there he goes, folding his legs up to his chest. That's a beautiful bay horse, Vijay. Coming on to the gypsy jump, and there he goes. Without any hesitation, Vijay and Sipai Naveen. And the last rider in front of you is Lieutenant Colonel Amit Sinsanwar of the Army Service Corps. A very seasoned and experienced rider of the Army Service Corps. He has participated at various national and international level programs, also posted as an instructor at NDA. He's recently won the FBI World Show Jumping medals held in Delhi. He's astride a beautiful chestnut horse called Gabru today. Approaching the jump number 1, there he goes, without any hesitation, getting the balance back. That's Colonel Amit Sinsanwar coming on to the jump number 2, that's a motorcycle, beautifully clearing it without any hassles. Look at the confidence of the horse, ladies and gentlemen, and there he goes, beautifully leaping over the sofa, going on to the table without any problem. Now approaching the Machardani jump. A big loop there and coming on to the Machardani. And now getting the balance back of the horse, he will now be approaching the finale, the gypsy jump. Ladies and gentlemen, it may seem very easy, but it's a very difficult job to do a beautiful show so easily and make it so beautiful for all of us. Please give them a huge round of applause. That was the team of the Northern Command Equestrian team who put up such a trick riding show for all of you.